Hey everyone, Rick at Wordsearch. Wordsearch 11 has multiple ways for you to input and organize your own information in the program. In this video, I want to talk to you about one of those methods, the verse list. The verse list allows you to organize and categorize verses. As well, you are able to store notes on both the verses and the categories, which is ideal for creating topical studies, lessons, or sermon outlines. The verse list can be accessed from the main icon toolbar. As well, you can create new verse lists or open an existing one from the File drop-down menu. Once saved, your verse list will be stored in the Library tab under Verse Lists. The verse list toolbar starts out with the 4 common file options: New to start a new verse list, Open to open an existing verse list, Save to save the verse list under its current name, and Save as to save the verse list with a new name. The next icon on the toolbar is the Add a Verse button. When you click on the Add a Verse button, it brings up the Insert Verse pop-up. The top portion allows you to add verses to an existing section, or you can create a new section. You can then type any verses that you wish to add to the list. You can use abbreviations or even verse ranges here. At the bottom, you can choose which translation you wish to use. You can also add verses to your verse list through the right-click menu in your Books and Bibles, and through your concordant search results page. The next icon is the Delete Verse button. This will allow you to remove any verses that you've decided you don't want to include in your list. You can reorder your verses using the big up and down arrows. The smaller down arrow will put all of your verses in Bible book order. While using your verse list, you may notice sometimes that it doesn't list full citations, as each citation will piggyback off the previous one. To see the full citation on every verse, simply click on the Full Citations button. Now every section and verse in the verse list has its own note area. The notes area can be turned on or off with the notes icon on the toolbar. As you write notes in the notes area, it will notify you of those notes by putting icons on the left-hand side. When you print out the verse list, it will print out each section and verse followed by your notes. The verse list can also be synced with your other book chapter verse books, which works great when you're studying your verses in your commentaries and other study books, as they will follow right along with you. If you'd like to learn more about the verse list or other ways to organize and input your own information into Wordsearch 11, please check out our Basic 6 class and our free live training classes. You can view them by clicking on the Live Training button from the home screen or by going to the Training tab at wordsearchbible.com. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.